MyGWork is a great tool for us to recruit from. It allows us to highlight our LGBT initiatives both internally and externally, and we can update that information regularly.
We can also, with MyGWork, tap into a different pool of candidates that we might previously not have tapped into. So also with anything like video content, or just where we can show who we are as a firm and that we're inclusive and diverse and really welcoming people into the firm. All of this, we hope, should hopefully attract and help us secure more strong talent.
MyGWork also provides us with a job board where we can advertise current vacancies and rotate those as and when we need to, so it allows us to get that information out to that community in real time.
So the type of culture we have at Reed Smith and we really are quite protective over, it is very open, there's no visible hierarchy, which we're pretty proud of, and we really try and make sure that everyone feels comfortable to be themselves, and we have a really strong committee in place, a number of committees actually, to help support that. At Reed Smith we look for people from all different backgrounds, we look for diversity of thought, and therefore we want everyone to be individual and have different experiences and see things differently, which is also going to be a benefit to our clients and the business internally.
The main objective for Reed Smith is to create an inclusive working environment for everyone where you can be yourselves, you don't need to hide behind a certain look or you don't need to be a certain way to be accepted, and that diversity stems throughout the organisation here, so it's everyone from partners to lawyers to our support staff.
I think it's really important that LGBT professionals feel that they have somewhere to go to make sure they're applying to organisations that are going to welcome them and have the culture that they want to experience when joining. In the time that we've been working with MyGWork, we've found that students who are interested in a career in law have actually approached us and seen that we've been connected to MyGWork, which is great. So they've obviously seen what we're doing online, and they've also felt comfortable to approach us, which is a really good sign.
I would definitely recommend MyGWork to other organisations and law firms. It's a fantastic way to showcase not just your internal initiatives such as PRISM, but also external partnerships and initiatives. It's also a great opportunity for us to highlight individuals within the firm, such as Kiri Evagora, Hugh Morris and Alicia Miller, who are driving those efforts throughout Reed Smith. It's very easy to utilise, and that information can be updated very, very quickly, so it gets the message across to the LGBT network.
We'll also find that if everyone was the same, it would be quite a boring place to work.